We're here at the business game today. It's a game for potential students to experience Nyenrode. We had a workshop, they had a dinner, they could already meet each other, but also current students who are living here at the campus in Breukelen. Two alumni from ASML came to present their case.
ASML is an expanding business. We have a lot of customers that also grow, so that also results in that we have to grow. And now we've put a fictive case on the table that we want to expand to some other region. And the tough part is, you have to take a lot into consideration.
We want to challenge them to come with something extra and think about it.
It's quite impressive when you are just arriving on campus. The location is very beautiful. Being able to do the case in the castle itself is really special.
I think it's an honor to be asked to come back to the university. You spent a lot of time. It's nice to see so many enthusiastic potential students. Now it's time for a business game.
The most challenging part about the business case was definitely that you're put into a pressure cooker. Having a couple of hours to make your pitch and to have a good, compelling story.
I like how the challenge is more like a real case present for you, and it seems to be something that I might at some point be facing in a real career aspect.
I think the diverse background of the students will really help. When you talk to the students and you hear all the backgrounds that they have, it will contribute in a very nice way.
I think it was probably the best decision I've made prior to starting the Masters, and yeah, I got to know loads of people.
One thing that really stood out for me was the sense of community. You study with your peers and then you also live with them on the campus, and you really have this sense of community here that I don't see in other universities.
I hope to see lots of creativity at the students, so that we are just blown away.
I hope to see something unique. Your challenge should be your own person and how to bring your own personality into the business case. That's something I'm very excited about.